the first credit card is issued by Diners Club. No cash, no coins, just trust and a signature. Money becomes abstraction. 1973. SWIFT connects banks across the world, not through gold, but through data. Money becomes protocol. 1994. The internet reaches the public. Newspapers mock it. Just a toy for students. Not serious. Not for the masses. But it was already rewriting the rules of the world.
You've got mail.
Now it's 2025. Everything is digital. Data moves in milliseconds. AI drives decisions. Crypto flows 24/7, and yet banks still run on logic from the 70s. Limits, delays, paperwork, freezes, fees. You wait 48 hours just to send $500. That's not banking, that's lag. And that's why WeFi, the world's first DEO bank, was built. To offer users end-to-end financial autonomy. Cards, deposits, loans, and payments, conducted on-chain but regulated with clear, compliant frameworks. Truly a global financial ecosystem built in a simplified app and accessible from the palm of your hand. Even now, with traditional banks and online crypto banks, money remains slow, stuck halfway between crypto and fiat, and in desperate need of something new, something different, a DEO bank. A fully automated system with a unified logic for moving crypto, fiat, and yield. Can you imagine a world in which money could safely move as freely as information across the internet? Well, somebody did imagine that, and then co-created a stablecoin called Tether, or USDT, to make that possible. That somebody is Reeve Collins, and the USDT he created now does many more transactions per day than all the banks combined. And that somebody is the same Reeve Collins that co-founded and launched WeFi, the world's first DEO bank, where every execution, every reward, and every withdrawal is automated. This isn't just an idea, it's already happening. No more middlemen, manual approvals, high transaction fees, or delays. WeFi is a pure financial engine running at the digital speed of the internet. Oh, and by the way, you don't need to know anything about cryptocurrency to get involved.
Hello, my name is Reeve Collins. I created Tether, the world's first stablecoin. It's amazing to see how stablecoins have become the foundation of the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Now I'm building WeFi, a bank reimagined with community at its core. Powered by blockchain, WeFi operates at a fraction of traditional banking costs, allowing us to share the value directly with our users. Our community doesn't just use the platform, they are the heart of it. They earn the rewards and reap the benefits of their contributions. With world-class financial products and a relentless focus on user empowerment, WeFi isn't just a bank, it's a global movement. Join us in building the future of financial access for the world.